We'll guide you through how to fix mobile data turned on but the internet not working on an Android. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be super annoying, so let's get into fixing it. Before we get any further, go to the top right of your phone and just make sure you've got service and mobile data. As you can see, I do, and if you've got the same but it's still not working, let's get started. First of all, make sure you do have a cellular data plan included with your plan. So just double check that and make sure you haven't run out of any data as well. That's pretty unlikely, but just make sure you have got data left. Then what you want to do is drag down from the top of your phone like so and go to the top, and you want to enable airplane mode. So click on the plane icon, wait sort of 3 to 5 seconds, and then what you can do is go and turn it back off like so. Your phone will then go and reconnect. Often that can go and solve the problem. If that didn't solve your problem, then the next thing you want to try doing is opening up your settings like so. Go to the top and go and click on connections, and then go down and click on data usage. In here, click on allow networks for apps. What you can do is actually disable mobile data for apps. So make sure the app you're trying to using hasn't got that disabled. You can go and click on it. As you can see, that's set to Wi-Fi only, so it only work on Wi-Fi. So I'll set it to mobile data or Wi-Fi, and you can check that for each app. Go and see if that solves your problem. If it still doesn't, it's worth just performing a full restart of your phone. So you can hold down the power button like so. You can then click on restart and restart again. The phone will go and restart, and then see if that solves your problem, and hopefully it will. If you found this useful, then leave a like.